Hello, my friend. In today's fast-paced financial world, stress, fatigue, and mental fog have become everyday challenges for traders. Long hours in front of the screen, constant market volatility, endless decision making, it is not just your mind under pressure, your body feels it too. That's where Zenstox, Trader's Detox, developed by Zenstox Nutrition comes in. Designed specifically for traders, crypto investors, and finance professionals, this natural supplement helps your body manage stress, boost focus, and detox from daily overload. So, what's inside? Ashwagandha helps balance cortisol and reduce stress. Bacopa Monnieri supports memory and mental clarity. Rhodiola Rosea fights fatigue and improves energy stability. L-Theanine provides calm focus without drowsiness. Milk Thistle aids liver function and natural detoxification. Plus essential nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, zinc, and selenium, all critical for brain performance and sleep quality. It's simple to use. Take 2 capsules daily, preferably in the morning with food. On demanding days, an extra capsule can be added in the afternoon. Just don't exceed 4 per day. Unlike energy drinks or stimulants, Zenstox doesn't spike you. It supports clear, sustainable focus and mental sharpness. Whether you are a day trader, portfolio manager, or simple someone grinding late into the night, Zenstox helps you stay sharp, calm, and in control. If your goal is not just winning trades, but maintaining long-term wellness, this is your daily edge. Visit zenstoxnutrition.com today to order and experience the power of clean focus. Zenstox Nutrition, trade smart, think clear.